see how it's supposed to be when it comes to grammar. So here, with the first one, no, you don't have to decode the whole sentence because whenever there is article, no, it becomes easier for us. The most dash possible grounds, it ends here because for is there. It's all together. It means grounds is noun, possible is adjective. So you need most is your adverb, or you can treat it, but it is acting as an adverb. And this is here we need an adjective. Sometimes we can have two adjectives. So something can represent something. So represent is V1. Reliable person, reliable is your adjective. Registrar is the person who is doing registration or registry of the land or any other thing. So it's noun with no S. Rebuke, V1. When you disapprove something or there is a criticism about something, disapproval of something or giving providing criticism on something. So if you see this without reading anything, we got our answer, that is reliable, because there is only one adjective we have. Now, in the next one, what we have to see, what we have to do here is, in the past is your extra information, and we have two extra information. This is also your extra information only. In the past, with relatively minor dash, the influences, the same influences is your subject, have played is your verb, helping verb V3. Others are your object. It means this is again your extra information. So with relatively is ly, we know adverb, minor injuries, adjective, and we need a noun. So it can be noun with S or no S, but minor changes. Usually with minor, no, I'm getting that we always write S, but just don't lock it, okay? Always keep both on. Okay, so variations is TION. Any word that ends with TION, always your noun. So this is noun with S. Virtually ly. Any word that ends with ly is your adverb. Village is the place, so noun. It's not veteran. Okay, it's not the person with a lot of experience. It is veterinarian, means someone who is treating vet doctor. You all have heard, no? Who treats animal. So that is what this means. Because of the little spelling change, no, I is there. It's not E. Okay. It means again, okay, we have three options to choose from. This is ruled out. So we need to read through. Then this one, the power of dash. Here, and is acting as a fanboy. It is your subject. Has is your helping verb. Whenever we have helping verb, have, has, had, next word should be V3. Us, object, not to be sure is your extra information. The power of dash, it's all your, extra information, and this is also object. Object can be noun or adjective. So it can be noun or adjective, which you can read somewhere, V1. You can recognize something, someone, V1. Free radicals, noun with S. Reaction, noun with no S. So you have to rule this two out, and we have two options to choose from for this one. Here, if you see this one, this is a little trickier. If is your subordinate conjunction, we is your subject, did is there. Whenever we have helping verb, do, does, did, do not, does not, did not, we need V1. Okay, but here did is acting as a main verb, sorry. It is acting as a main verb. We did not, in practice, dash the correctness of. So object, this is object, this is also object. So in between object, you can have V1 also, and sometimes we need noun also. So we don't know. This is thoroughly context based. You cannot lock anything with the help of grammar. So leave this one. Now, we is your subject. We can and do something. No, next to do and next to can, we always write V1. Can is your modal auxiliary verb, and do is also your helping verb. Next to do, V1. Next to do, does, did, V1. So capital income, the capital, it can act as an adjective or noun both. The ceremony, noun. Cheese, thing to eat, noun. Consistently is your adverb, ly. You can communicate. So only one V1 we have. Others are ruled out. So it means without reading anything, we got another answer. That is communicate. So here, if you see, we'll go through the context now. Consideration of practical nature gives us the most dash possible grounds for a belief that human desires, feelings, etc. are homogeneous and communicable. Consideration of practical nature give us the most possible grounds. What most reliable ground? No, because others are not making any sense because they are not adjective and it's not the description of anything. So most reliable grounds for a belief that human desires, feelings, etc. are homogeneous and communicable. The fact is that we all have back of us. The fact is that we all have back of us many millions of years of evolutionary history in the same general environment. In the past, relatively minor something, with relatively minor village or variations. Here we are talking about feelings, practical nature. No, village is out of context. Here we all have variations. It makes sense. So people can have variations in nature, everything like so. It makes sense little. It's relatable, and it makes sense with the context. So in the past, with relatively minor variations, the same influences have played upon our ancestors from the beginning of life on our planet. And then we are born into the same society, and it has given us not it has given us, not to be sure, the power of dash, but certainly all of our most essential stimuli. The power of what? Radicals? No, radicals related to this something physical world, like physical. Here we are talking about the reaction. We are not talking about any physical term here. So radical change is also there. Okay, it can act as an adjective also. But it's okay. But certainly, what is the stimuli? Only the reaction can be the stimuli, no? That makes sense. But certainly, all of our most essential stimuli is a reaction. We react. Furthermore, we do get along in society. We laugh together, we play together, and we share each other's sorrow. We love and hate each other in a way that would be wholly impossible if we did not, in practice, the dash correctness of our interference about one another's motives and desire. So if not in practice, if not, if we did not in practice the dash, acronym, the correctness of no. Acronym is a short form of something. Adventurous, no. The acceptance of correctness, no. You can assume the correctness of our interference, no. Here we are doing something. Here accept makes sense, but acceptance is not. If we did not in practice acceptance, the correctness of interference about one another motives or desire, no. If I'll read from here only. We love and hate each other in a way that would be wholly impossible if we did not in practice assume the correctness of our interference. Not interference, sorry. Inference and my bad. I just read it as an interference. Sorry. Our inference about one another's motives and desire. And the fact that these inferences are, what are the inferences? It makes sense when you, even if you're not aware of it, it will give you some idea on what they're talking about. And the fact that these inferences are in the main correct is the one thing that makes social life possible. We can, we can and do what? Understand. V1. Okay, so same thing. We can and do something. We can and do understand one another's motives, desire, wants, and emotions. We can and do communicate our feelings to one another. Clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is it for today's session. I'll be seeing you all tomorrow. Okay. So let me know if you have anything. Okay. And Tishi, can you please stay back for a while?